Good day everyone, I'm Jessica Colon together with Eunice Saldivar from BS Ed Mathematics 3rd year Set A1, and now we are going to discuss the properties of axioms of real numbers. First property of axioms of real numbers that I'm going to discuss is the closure axiom. The closure axiom. In closure axiom, we have here addition and multiplication. Addition and multiplication. In addition of closure axiom, the sum of any two real numbers is also a real number. For example, we have here 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. So we all know that 20 is a real number. Next example is negative 9 plus negative 15 is equal to negative 24. Another example, 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 2/2 or 1. So in multiplication of closure axiom, the product of any two real numbers is also a real number. So for example, we have here 6 times 7 is equal to 42. Another example, negative 8 times 11 is equal to negative 88. Another example is 12 times 1/3, 1/3. So 12 times 1 is 12, divide 3 is 4. So that is the closure axiom. In closure axiom of addition and multiplication, we only have to simplify. So the next property that I'm going to discuss is the commutative property. So in commutative property, we have here addition and multiplication. So, in addition of commutative property, the order of the addends does not affect the sum. So, A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B must be equal to B plus A. For example, we have here 9 plus 15. So, it is equal to 15 plus 9. So, 9 plus 15, 24. 15 plus 9 is also equal to 24. The addends does not affect the sum, right? Another example, 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 3 is also equal to 8. So, another example is 10 plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 1, 1 plus 10. So, the addends does not affect the sum. Punta naman tayo sa multiplication. So, the order of the factor does not affect the product. So, we have A times B is equal to B times A. So, for example, we have 8 times 9 is equal to 9 times 8. So, 8 times 9, 72. 9 times 8 is also equal to 72. So, the factors does not affect the product. Another example is 10 times 3 is equal to 3 times 10. So, 10 times 3, 30. 3 times 10 is also equal to 30. So, another example, 4 times 5 is equal to 5 times 4. So, 4 times 5, 20. 5 times 4 is also equal to 20. So, the factors does not affect the product. The next property that I'm going to discuss is the associative property. Associative property. So, in associative property, we also have addition and multiplication. So, in addition of associative property, the grouping of the addends does not affect the sum. So, we have here A plus B, quality of A plus B plus C is equal to A plus the quality of B plus C is equal to the quality of A plus C plus B. So, for example, we have A is equal to 7, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 5. So, A plus B plus C, so our A is 7, our B is 3, so 7 plus 3, open and close parenthesis, plus C, our C is 5, equal to our A 7, plus our B and C is 3 plus 5, equal to our A is 7 and C is 5, A plus C. So, 7 plus 5 plus our B is 3. So, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5 is 15, equal to 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7 is 15, equal to 7 plus 5, 12 plus 3 is 15. So, the addends does not affect the sum. See? Another example, let's say we have A is equal to 9, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 5. So, our A and B is 9 plus 3, and our C is 5. So, 9 plus 3 plus 5 equal to our A is 9 plus B plus C. Our B is 3 and C is 5. So, 3 plus 5 equal to A plus C plus B. So, A plus C. So, 9 plus 5 plus B. So, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 5 is 17. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 9 is also equal to 17. And 9 plus 5, 14 plus 3 is 17 also. So, the addends does not affect the sum. Multiplication of associative property naman, the grouping of the factors does not affect the product. So, let's say we have here A times B times C is equal to A quality of B times C equal to A times C times B. So, let's say we have A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 4. So, our A is 6 and B is 5 times our C is 4 equal to A, our A 6, quality of B, C. So, B is 5, C is 4 equal to A 6 and C is 4, and then our B is 5. So, 6 times 5, 30, times 4 is equal to 5 times 4, 20. Then 6 times 4 is 24 times 5. So, 30 times 4 is equal to 120. So, 6 times 20, 120 also. And 24 times 5 is also 120. So, the factors does not affect the product. So, another example. Let's say our C is equal to 3. Our B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 6. So, 8 quality of A times B, or A is 3, B is 5 times C, or 6 is C, equal to A, or A is 3, then B is 5, C is 6, equal to quality of AC, A times C. So, our A is 3, and our C is 6, B is 5. So, to simplify, 3 times 5, 15, times 6, equal to 3. 5 times 6, 30, is equal to 3 times 6, 18, times 5. So, 15 times 6 is equal to 90. Equal to 3 times 30 is also 90. 18 times 5 is 90 also. So, the factors does not affect the product. So, the next and last property that I will discuss is the distributive property. So, in distributive property, we have here left distributive property. Our formula here is A times the quality of B plus or minus C equal to AB plus or minus AC. So, for example, we have here 3 times 4 plus 5 equal to our A is 3 and our B is 4, C is 5. So, 3 times 4 plus or minus plus our A is 3, our C is 5. So, 3 times 5 equal to 3 times 4, 12, plus 3 times 5 is 15, plus 15 equal to 27. So, next, if we have left distributive property, we also have here right distributive property. Right distributive property. So, in right distributive property, we have quality of A plus or minus B times C is equal to AC. So, kung kanina yung multiplier ay nasa labas and yung A yung multiplier, ngayon naman yung C ang multiplier. So, equal to AC plus or minus BC. So, for example, we have here 3 plus 4 times 5 is equal to 3 times 5 or AC plus 4 times 5 or BC equal to 3 times 5, 15, and 4 times 5 is 20. 15 plus 20 equal to 35. So, that is the right distributive property and left distributive property.